guys, if you wanna add event to calendar in your Samsung Galaxy S20, for the first you have to open the settings and go to your calendar, cancel, and as you can see there's our calendar. And if you wanna add event, click on this marker, and first we have to add title, so I will go for the hard reset. And there's a couple of options like location, notes. We can also invite people, set up the time, currently Central Europe Standard Time, and of course the time when we are going to start with this event. When you set up all the things, just click on the save, and as you can see, here is our event. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.